have all of you here, and also the dignitaries on the dais. I have 2-3 things to communicate. First, I will communicate regarding what Marathwada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council MAGIC is doing. Basically, MAGIC is a business incubator and SME accelerator which is promoted by members of Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture CMI, which is a Section 8 company. When I say Section 8 company, means it's a not-for-profit initiative. It is sort of a giving back to society from the members of Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture. We started our activities in 2015. We got registered as a Section 8 company in 2018, and since then we are conducting many initiatives and activities for the benefit of students, grassroots innovators, MSMEs, and all those who wish to start their own business, especially their own enterprise with some innovation. So that's in nutshell about MAGIC. MAGIC is located at Aurangabad, but we have our presence all across the country, I would say. We are connected with startups in almost 26 states. Most of them are virtually connected, and we are incubating around 60 startups at Aurangabad at present. If I have to quickly give you our vision, mission and goal, since we originate from Tier 2 city, our focus is on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities where there are plenty of talented youths who need some support, guidance to get into their entrepreneurial journey, and that's what precisely we are doing through our various activities. I'm sure you have gone through the vision, mission, goal and strategy. I won't get into details. This is in nutshell our journey till date. We have interacted with startups and students who have potential ideas, innovative ideas to get into startups. Every Saturday we conduct idea validation camps for the potential startups wherein they present their business ideas to our mentors. We validate their ideas and provide further mentoring and support as per the need. So till date we have in excess of 8,500 such ideas evaluated or validated. We have conducted more than 200 webinars on various important topics which are connected with startups, promotion of innovation and other policies and schemes which Government of India and Government of Maharashtra extend for the benefit of industries. Through this we have done around more than 1,200 one-to-one mentoring sessions, and through that, as I mentioned, we are incubating 60 startups. These 60 startups are provided with CSR funds. Some of them have also received some government grants. Yogesh is one of such live example who is on the dais. Whatever funds we have raised till date, we have supported 40 startups directly, financially. Other benefits are of course there, and we have a virtual exhibition going on since last year with support of Tata Technologies. I will elaborate that more. The snapshot of our incubating companies is here. Currently, we are supporting startups in 15 different domains, and their breakup is like 28 are early stage startups, 18 startups are seed ready, and 14 startups are in an advanced stage. These are the sectors where these startups are working. Basically, being a sector agnostic incubator, we can support any idea, any domain, and the reason for that is we have around 600 entrepreneurs who are backing our initiative for supporting startups. These are the typical programs which we conduct during the year, wherein one program is head on. When I say head on, it's you have to keep your head on and face the problem head on. That's the theme of the activity, wherein typically engineering college students are encountered with live problems, and they engage in solving these problems through various initiatives. The next initiative is My Skill, My Business. This is focused on ITI students, wherein we encourage ITI students to pursue some entrepreneurial journey based on the skills they have. Every year we conduct one open national level innovation challenge. For last 4 years we are conducting this open innovation challenge at national level, and we have participation throughout the country. Around 400 to 500 startups in various domains participate in this challenge, and they win cash awards in addition to the incubation support and other services offered by Magic. We have a series of sessions. The title is Learn Next, wherein we invite eminent speakers on various topics so that the startups, students or the entrepreneurs, they can learn new things which are required for running their businesses. This is also an ongoing activity. We also conduct faculty development programs for academic institutions so that faculties are sensitized for entrepreneurship, and through this faculty development program, they can support the student startups in a better way. We also conduct workshops for mature startups, those who are looking for expanding their business on an international scale. Through such internationalization workshop, I have briefly mentioned about virtual exhibition and networking platform for entire startup ecosystem. I will elaborate a bit later. This is our snapshot of our ecosystem partners. As I mentioned, we operate pan-India, and we have partnerships with all important organizations who support entrepreneurship through various ways. And these partnerships can be categorized in two segments. 33 partnerships are industry partners, and 25 partnerships are academia partnerships. We have many engineering colleges and universities who have signed MOUs with our organization for a sustained intervention for promotion of innovation and entrepreneurship in their respective organization. In industry partnerships, we have corporates, CSR partnership. The way we are privileged to be CSR partner of Tata Technologies since last year. There are other few leading corporates also with whom we conduct various initiatives for promotion of entrepreneurship. At Aurangabad, we have got state-of-the-art common facility centers. Typically, 6 common facility centers are called clusters. We have got auto cluster and ESDM cluster, where state-of-the-art machineries are available for pay-per-use basis for all those who wish to avail the services. And these facilities are very rare in the state. We have partnerships with other incubators also. We firmly believe in collaboration and co-creation. So other incubators are also well connected with us all across the country. We are also deeply connected and engaged with many leading industries associations throughout the state as well as at national level. Like we have partnership with CII and TAI and other organizations. We work very closely with state and central governments. We are recognized by Maharashtra State Innovation Society. We are recognized by Startup India Seed Fund. We are also IDEX incubation partner for promotion of innovation in defense sector, as well as we are recognized by Ministry of MSME, Government of India. I have already mentioned about academic partnerships, universities, engineering colleges, business schools, ITI, and other academia hosted incubators and e-sales. And we would be happy to work with the colleges who are represented over here. This is our very lean team at Aurangabad. Even though we conduct many activities, we have a very compact team, but a very high performing team, and that's how such programs, even at a destination like Solapur, are possible at short notice and in spite of various challenges. These are some of the products which our startups have launched in the market, and they are doing well. I have already mentioned about IDEX partnership. I have already mentioned about Startup India Seed Fund. Close to 4 crore rupees we are supporting startups this year, and the next year the amount will go further. This is our magic team, mentors. They are from different sectors. Typically, everybody has 20 to 25 years of rich experience in various domains. They have their own industries, enterprises, and are willing to support startups and innovators. Now I will discuss much awaited about our partnership with Tata Technologies. Thanks to the dynamic leadership of Siddharth Yavalkar, because of whom this partnership was possible last year. As part of CSR partnership with Tata Technologies, we have established Tata Technologies Magic Innovation Hub. It's a virtual platform for startup ecosystem. We have partnered with CII at national level. There is an ongoing virtual exhibition. Icon is the name of the exhibition, where all the constituents of startup ecosystem are present, and anybody can visit this exhibition at any time and interact with the stallholders virtually, the way typically you can interact with any exhibition stallholder. So this is a very innovative concept which was launched last year on the backdrop of COVID, when direct one-to-one interaction with startups was not possible. Startups were not getting the opportunity of interacting with their stakeholders, and thanks to Tata Technologies for supporting this very innovative and unique concept. It is first of its kind in India, where a virtual exhibition is live for the entire year, 24/7, 365 days. And that's how these startups are getting supported. I am happy to inform you that those startups who are participating in the Ready Engineer program, they have been specially accommodated in this exhibition, and they are being supported with incubation support through Magic, and even funding support also as part of this particular initiative. This year, we have added this feature of Tech Talk, wherein we are reaching out to engineering colleges from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities of Maharashtra and maybe Karnataka, and we are encouraging the students to venture the journey of entrepreneurship. I am sure all of you who are here for today's session, you will have a very wonderful day ahead. We have lined up some amazing speakers. 2 of them are already here on the dais. The third one is on the way. And today's session will be very interesting and exciting for all of you. All of us are here for any support and any assistance, any clarification. We will be happy to support you in the best possible way. Thank you.